Hello and welcome to CompTIA Security Plus Certification SY0-501. My name is Sunil Gupta. I'm a cybersecurity specialist, a book author and a public speaker, and I'm your instructor for this course. Let's talk about the course overview. So what we are going to learn here in this course, we are going to start the course with course introduction and lab setup. We'll learn about threat, attacks and vulnerabilities. We'll learn about tools and techniques for Security Plus. We'll learn about network components configuration for CompTIA Security Plus. Then implement secure device and protocols. We'll also learn about securing individual systems for CompTIA Security Plus. We will also learn about architecture and design for CompTIA Security Plus, identity and access management, configuring and implementing identity and access services, risk management for CompTIA Security Plus, risk management plans, cryptography and PKI, install and configure wireless standards, and CompTIA Security Plus SY0-501 exam practice questions. So if we talk about the course goal, then this course is designed to provide information that how you can install and configure systems to secure applications, network and devices inside your organization. Student will also learn that how to clear CompTIA Security Plus SY0-501 examination. So guys, if we talk about the lab setup, then lab setup is very simple. We have two machines, Windows and Linux machine, and using these machines, we are going to analyze network applications and devices. So why you should take this course? Because this course is going to provide you information about real world security issues. We are going to learn that how you can troubleshoot and secure risks inside your network, applications and devices. And this course is going to provide you intensive topics to clear CompTIA Security Plus SY0-501 examination. So this is all about the course overview. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you inside the course.